Good morning, this is Brad Langdon of MarineMax Lake Norman. Just wanted to walk you through a 19 SPX Sea Ray we just got in. This boat is, as I said, 19 feet long. Moving forward, you have plenty of storage up front, speakers, grab rails, nice padded cushioning for comfortable seating. Looking aft, you have a collapsible windshield, 2 captain's chairs, bench seating aft, storage in the floor, cup holders everywhere you sit. Captain's chair, you have 2 analog gauges, Bluetooth fusion stereo, simple to operate switches, SIMRAD, GPS depth finder built in to the dash, storage to the port, sea deck for the ingress and egress of the boat, and you have a 150 Mercury outboard with a tow point in the transom. This boat is equipped with a Bimini top. It is available, and if you'd like to see it, please reach out. My name is Brad Langdon, MarineMax, Lake Norman. Thank you very much.